Welcome to the Singapore Night Festival 2024, the city's largest and most spectacular nocturnal experience. From August 23rd to September 7th, the heart of Singapore, Bras Basah and Bugis, comes alive from 7:30 p.m. to midnight, offering a dazzling array of lights, performances, and art installations. Over these 2 weeks, you'll witness the transformation of Singapore's civic district into a wonderland of light and sound. The festival showcases a fusion of art, culture, and history, with breathtaking light projections, immersive installations, and captivating performances by local and international artists. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, an art lover, or just looking for a unique night out, the Singapore Night Festival has something for everyone. Wander through Bras Basah and Bugis, where you'll find interactive art pieces, mesmerizing light shows, and even surprise performances around every corner. Don't forget to indulge in the culinary delights that line the streets. From local favorites to international treats, there's no shortage of delicious bites to fuel your nocturnal adventure. And with live music filling the air, the atmosphere is truly electrifying. As the night deepens, the energy intensifies. The Singapore Night Festival is not just an event, it's an experience, a celebration of creativity, culture, and community. It's where history meets modernity, where art meets technology, and where every corner has a story to tell. August 23rd to September 7th, from 7:30 p.m. to midnight, and be part of Singapore's largest nocturnal experience, the Singapore Night Festival 2024, a night to remember, a night to celebrate. Thank you for joining us on this magical journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to WorldToTravel for more amazing travel experiences. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the beauty of Singapore. Until next time, keep exploring the world.